So guys, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. So this will be our movement for the day on GBP USD. Bullish move that should eventually push up and take out this high here. You can see this high. We will be expecting market to push up and take out this high. That is to tell you that whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP USD, you should be looking for the buy. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. Now, take a look at this here. If this is seen as our high, this is also seen as our higher low. This now is taken to be our higher high. Here comes our higher low, right? Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is one of the reasons why we had multiple rejection. The market was able to push up a little bit. It has come back. We are now having this second rejection. So we will be expecting market to push up one more time again. So that is one of the reasons why we'll be expecting that push up to take out this previous high. So thereby forming a new higher high for us. So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting on our GBP USD. More updates will be covered on this for you guys. So all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.